It's another Tony Too Tough video, and today we're unboxing an MRE. Now, I had in the last video already opened it up and went through it, but I didn't like that video. So here we are. We're just going to pretend like I used my Mora and cut this open. Let's take a look and see what's inside, shall we? Bam. By the way, before we get too far into this, I got to give a nice shout out to my buddy Chris. Thank you, my friend. Thank you for supplying me with these and the others that you gave me. I promise you they are in great hands and I will use them wisely. Thank you, sir. Anyways, with that being said, let's get right on to what we're looking at. First off, today's entree is going to be the pork sausage and creamy gravy. I want you to take a look at that. Oh, can you see that? Isn't that delectable? That's amazing. Okay. So inside here, which I'm not going to open up, is a bag, right? And I'll use a pouch that's inside there with a heating element to heat this up. We'll get to that in just a second. More on that in a minute. Two, after I saw this the first time, I was like, oh, this is one of my favorite parts of an MRE is the spoon. And apparently this spoon is not the standard spoon. And if it is, I might be mistaken, but I thought it was much longer. A little bit longer, maybe about an inch longer and a little thicker. Anyways, with that being said, let's move on to the other content. It's still cool. It's still a good spoon, right? Now we've got the biscuit. The biscuit. The only way to choke down the biscuit, that sounds pretty nasty. It's with this packet right here. The only way is with this jalapeno cheese spread. See that right there? Okay. Anyways, this is premium currency right here. Absolute premium. Good stuff. We got the raisin. We got the raisin osmotic. I have no idea, but I think you add water to it and it's some sort of oatmealish kind of thing. I don't know. Haven't eaten this one yet. This, however, is the wheat snack bread, which I'd probably say between the biscuit and this, definitely low on the priority list of what I'm tapping into first. Okay. Or hell, I may want to tap into it first just because if I was hungry to eat, might as well get it out of the way. The base powder tropical punch. It's actually pretty good, pretty doable. Some electrolytes in there. Got what you need. We got a little Tabasco sauce. That's pretty amazing, right? Check that out. And then we have the final food item is the granola with milk and banana. So there it is, folks. That's your breakfast in the morning time or whatever you want it to be. You have your entree, which is your pork. That's what we really came in here for. That was the pork sausage and creamy gravy. So that's the deal. All right. And to get it all nice and warm, and these are a hit or miss, man. Sometimes these work, sometimes they don't. Depends on how old they are. But the key is don't overfill them past this line, right? You see that line? Just don't. And then you fold it over, and then you place it onto a rock or something, and you tilt it up, and the next thing you know, it does this little heating magic. Heats up your entree that's inside this cardboard thing. And then you've got a hot beverage bag, right? Can't forget about that. So it's cool, and it seals. That's pretty much so it. Thanks for stopping by. Listen, these things will come in handy one day, right? And if not, they're great to take out when you're out hiking or you're just backpacking or whatever. They're a great meal. I've had them. I enjoy them. Thoroughly enjoy them. I'm thankful. Right now I'm on carnivore, so I'm not eating them right now. But I will one day. I won't be on it forever. So ta-da. Thanks for stopping by. Again, this is Tony Too Tough. Now, you don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Go on now. Now get.